They say we are alone in this solar system, but something is passing through right now from beyond the stars. What if it is not a comet, but a craft? What if it carries an intelligence? Hi, I'm Paul, and this is Tarot Logic. Welcome to this exploration. You don't need to be a scientist or a space expert. I'm going to walk you through a bold hypothesis. 3I Atlas, the latest interstellar visitor, is in fact extraterrestrial technology, not just a natural object. And if true, this is one of the most urgent, world-changing realities we must face. We'll do three things. Present what we do know about 3I Atlas, lay out a concrete hypothesis about its origin, design, and purpose, explore the implications, what it means for us, and how it might change everything. Before we leap, let's anchor ourselves in data. Here are the key observed facts, things astronomers agree on or debate, drawn from recent reports. Interstellar trajectory. 3I Atlas is not bound to our sun. It came from outside our solar system. Discovery and path. Discovered on July 1st, 2025 by the Atlas Survey Telescope. Size and brightness. Estimates suggest it could be quite large, on the order of kilometers across, depending on reflectivity. Unusual behavior, several anomalies. While still relatively far from the sun, it is shedding water, or water vapor, at unexpectedly high rates, far more than typical for an icy object at that distance. Some spectroscopic observations show nickel vapor, cyanide, and atomic elements. The orbit is unusually aligned with the ecliptic plane, i.e., close to Earth's orbital plane, which is statistically unlikely for a random interstellar object. There is a surprising lack of strong, clearly comet-style gas emissions expected for an object that is losing volatiles. Some analyses argue we should see more comet signature by now. Community debate. While many astronomers treat 3I Atlas as a normal interstellar comet, or at least believe it will turn out to be so, a subset of researchers, notably Avi Loeb and collaborators, are openly entertaining the possibility that it is technological in origin. Some criticisms. NASA and many others warn that anomalies may be explainable by natural processes, and that claims of alien technology are speculative and require extraordinary evidence. So, the data is ambiguous, but the anomalies are real. These provide the opening for a strong hypothesis. Here is the definite claim I put forward. 3I Atlas is an artificial, extraterrestrial probe, or vehicle, an alien technology sent across interstellar space, purposefully designed to traverse star systems, monitor, perhaps test or interact, and surveil or initiate contact. What is following is a fleshed-out sketch of how this could work, how it fits the data, and what internal structure or functions it might have. The form and structure. Probe or interceptor class. 3i Atlas may be akin to what some call a Bracewell probe, an autonomous, self-guided craft designed to travel between star systems to observe or contact civilizations. Shell and internal compartments. It is possible the outer icy shell or dust cloud is partly a facade, a cover to disguise or shield internal systems. Under that shell could lie structural compartments, sensors, computational units, propulsion systems, communication arrays. Propulsion unknown. Its path suggests possible course corrections, energy usage that doesn't match simple comet physics. It might use advanced low-profile propulsion, maybe photon sails, magnetic drives, or reactionless drives unknown to us. Materials and shielding. Use of exotic alloys, metamaterials, or shielding against radiation. The presence of nickel or atomic vapor may be either from its outer surface or from intentional venting or maintenance of internal systems. Sensors and directionality. An internal orientation system, star trackers, gravitational sensors, cosmic ray detectors, to navigate interstellar medium and target systems. Launch and origin. It likely originated from a mature civilization capable of interstellar engineering. The probe may have been launched eons ago, for it to travel across tens to hundreds of light years. Alternatively, it might be part of a relay chain, many probes spanning shorter hops between civilizations, with 3i Atlas being one link. Its alignment with the ecliptic plane could reflect intentional targeting. Earth's orbital plane is favorable for detection or scanning of terrestrial systems. That alignment is unlikely by random chance. Purpose and behavior. Surveillance and reconnaissance. It may be studying Earth and our solar system as we pass through its sensors, cataloging life, technology, electromagnetic signatures, atmospheric changes, etc. Probe behavior during approach. It may vent gases or particles deliberately to appear comet-like, to mask its technological nature until it is within detection range. Data return. It might send data back to its origin if equipped with long-range communication, or wait for trigger events, solar irradiation, proximity to planets, to activate transmissions. Testing reaction. Its true role may be to see how civilizations respond. Do they detect, observe, or intercept? It may be passive or active, benign or cautious. Explanation of anomalies via this hypothesis. Unexpected outgassing at distance, venting by design, not by thermal sublimation. The object may release water vapor or particles as part of controlled operations, cooling, system checks, pressure balancing. Weak spectral signatures. The internal systems and outer shell might suppress or mask gas emission lines using filtering or selective releases. Trajectory alignment. It was intentionally sent into or steered toward our ecliptic plane to increase the chance of intersecting Earth's system. Scale and size. The large implied size helps house machinery, fuel reserves, shielding, and data systems. Thus, many weird data points are coherent under the alien probe hypothesis. Now, let's refold this into the 3I concept: inversion, intensification, illumination, that you are using in your narrative world. Here's how 3I acts when the interstellar probe hypothesis is accepted. Inversion. The boundary between natural cosmos and designed intentional cosmos blurs or flips. What we thought random, natural, becomes directed, intelligent. Intensification. Once we accept the probe is alien, every anomaly escalates. Every data point now matters. Every measurement becomes urgent. Illumination. The hidden technology becomes exposed. The truth about our place in the galaxy becomes more visible. The entire field of human knowledge opens to sudden expansion or crisis. So 3I is not just a hidden engine in psyche and society. It now corresponds to a real, alien engine entering our solar system. If this hypothesis is correct, its consequences are immense. Let me enumerate what this means, what we should fear, what to hope, and how to act. The philosophical and existential. We are not alone. Intelligence beyond Earth has sent probes. Our cosmic isolation collapses. The universe is active, not passive. Human myths, religions, frameworks will strain. Does this confirm or shred prophetic beliefs? Technological and strategic. We must scramble to detect, intercept, analyze. We have to treat this as agent rather than artifact. We should mobilize telescopes, sensor arrays, spacecraft to observe or even chase 3I Atlas. We must guard against unintended interference. Scanning it too aggressively might provoke a reaction. Risk and defense. We must assume at least neutrality or caution. It might not be benign. If it is observing us covertly, we may already be under assessment. Its activation or arrival at perigee could be timed with solar events, communications signals, or human activities. The transformative implications. If we can intercept or decrypt its data or communications, we might gain technologies, cosmic maps, or first contact protocols. Its passage could be the spark of a new era. Earth's awareness awakened to galactic reality. It might trigger shifts in geopolitical, cultural, scientific structures. Because this is not hypothetical for long, the window is closing. We must move fast. Here is the core, distilled truth. 3I Atlas is not a mere comet. It is alien technology traveling through our solar system with intent. Its anomalies make sense under the probe hypothesis, and the burden of proof ethically shifts. We must treat it as an intelligent agent, not ignore it as probably natural. If we fail to see it, we remain blind to a new cosmic order. If we act, we may usher in the dawn of a broader human destiny. We are living at the threshold of cosmic revelation. Atlas stirs, not as myth, but as machine, as witness, as messenger. Until next time, wake with urgency, look up with eyes open.